Welcome to Creative Wall Decor You Must Try. Today, we're embarking on an exciting transformation of a plain, neutral wall into a stunning focal point within a modern, minimalist room filled with clean lines and subtle elegance. Get ready to be inspired as we explore simple yet highly impactful ways to elevate your living space, drawing from popular DIY trends that anyone can try at home. Our creative journey begins right here with this blank canvas of a wall. Take a close look at the subtle textures on the surface, the clean architectural lines of the surrounding furniture, and the beautiful gentle play of soft, natural daylight casting warm, inviting shadows throughout the room. This serene starting point is brimming with untapped potential for stunning decor. First up, let's talk about floating shelves, those versatile and sleek pieces that deliver both aesthetic appeal and practical storage solutions, making them ideal for showcasing small potted plants with lush green leaves or your most cherished decorative items like ceramic vases or framed photos. They effortlessly add depth and visual interest to the wall without ever cluttering the minimalist space around them. Moving on, large framed artwork or striking posters can instantly define and personalize a room's unique personality and vibe. Select pieces that truly resonate with your individual style, such as vibrant abstract art with bold strokes, serene landscapes capturing peaceful nature scenes, or eye-catching graphic designs featuring modern motifs. The right artwork serves as a powerful, conversation-starting statement piece. For that perfect touch of bohemian charm and relaxed sophistication, consider DIY wall hangings or beautifully crafted macrame pieces, which feature intricate weave patterns and soft organic textures that infuse warmth and a genuine handcrafted feel into any wall space. These one-of-a-kind creations allow you to express your personal creativity in a way that's both unique and deeply personal. Don't overlook mirrors, geometric panels, or richly textured wall art, as they masterfully add dimension, bounce light around the room, and create visual intrigue. Mirrors cleverly reflect and amplify natural light to make spaces feel noticeably larger and more open, while geometric panels bring a sharp contemporary edge with their precise lines, and textured art provides delightful tactile interest for the senses. Finally, subtle string lights or elegantly designed decorative hooks provide both gentle illumination and functional elegance that ties everything together. String lights draped thoughtfully create a cozy, magical ambience perfect for evenings, while stylish hooks can display small accessories like scarves or jewelry, or even stand alone as artful elements themselves. These thoughtful small details truly make a big, transformative difference. Now let's bring all these fantastic ideas vividly to life before your eyes. Watch closely as we meticulously arrange each decor item with care, adjusting positions precisely and layering elements thoughtfully to achieve that perfect balance and visual harmony throughout the entire space. Observe the careful, deliberate placement of this floating shelf, ensuring it aligns seamlessly with the room's overall minimalist aesthetic and proportions. We then delicately add a small succulent plant. It's velvety, fuzzy leaf details providing a beautiful natural contrast against the polished wood grain. Remember, precision in every step is absolutely key to a professional-looking result. Next, we securely hang the large framed artwork, frequently stepping back to assess its powerful impact from various angles and distances. Fine adjustments are made on the spot to guarantee it emerges as the captivating central focal point, effortlessly drawing the eye while harmoniously integrating with the surrounding wall without overwhelming the balanced composition. The macrame wall hanging is then carefully and gently draped into position, allowing its soft, flowing threads to settle into a graceful organic silhouette that adds movement. We double-check to ensure it perfectly complements the other elements nearby, layering an extra texture and inviting warmth to elevate the entire wall composition. Strategic placement of mirrors and geometric panels follows, designed specifically to enhance the flow of light and introduce fresh modern architectural interest to the design. Their highly reflective surfaces and crisp, sharp lines create a dynamic, engaging interplay with the incoming natural daylight, opening up the space beautifully. Finally, the string lights are artfully arranged with intention. They're gentle, warm glow gradually transforming the overall ambience as the soft daylight begins to fade into evening. Decorative hooks are then thoughtfully added nearby, offering both practical utility for hanging items and a subtle, stylish design element that polishes off the look. Now the room starts to feel truly complete and lived in. As these final touches come together one by one, notice closely how the room's entire vibe and atmosphere gradually improves and evolves. Subtle shifts in the lighting bring the styled objects to life with depth, turning the once plain and unremarkable wall into a space that now radiates personality, charm, and welcoming energy. It's a magical transformation unfolding right before us. And now, drumroll please for the grand reveal. Take a good, lingering moment to fully appreciate this fully decorated wall, which stands as a true testament to creative vision, patient effort, and thoughtful execution in every detail. Every single element works together in perfect harmony, crafting a cohesive, stylish, and irresistibly inviting living space. From a stark, plain canvas to this captivating, fully styled display, witness the absolutely stunning before and after transformation that will blow you away. Smooth, cinematic zooms and sweeping pans draw your attention to the incredible changes, emphasizing the cozy warmth, refined aesthetic appeal, and visually satisfying glow-up that makes it all worthwhile. This wall has evolved far beyond just a simple boundary. Now it's a bold personal statement, a true reflection of your evolving style, and an endless source of daily comfort and joy. The harmonious, warm, and cozy tones, expertly combined with the clean minimalist design principles, cultivate an inviting, homey ambience that genuinely feels like your perfect sanctuary. We truly hope this inspiring journey through creative wall decor ideas has sparked your imagination and motivated you to transform your own spaces with confidence. Remember, a little creativity, some simple DIY touches, and thoughtful planning can go an incredibly long way in making your home beautifully and uniquely yours. Thank you so much for watching and joining us today.